Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, streaming your favorite music or editing a video, and suddenly you realize something is missing. The sound feels flat, lifeless, and uninspiring. What if I told you there's a compact desktop speaker system that can transform your workspace into a high-fidelity audio haven? Enter the ADAM Audio D3V, a game changer in the world of desktop monitoring. But is it really worth the hype? Let's dive deep into what makes this little powerhouse tick and whether it deserves a spot on your desk or in your studio. 1. General overview and target audience. The ADAM Audio D3V isn't just another set of desktop speakers. It's a meticulously engineered active monitor system designed to meet the needs of creators, professionals, and everyday users alike. From musicians and podcasters to vloggers and casual listeners, the D3V caters to anyone who demands high-quality audio in a compact form factor. But who exactly is this product for? If you've ever wondered how to elevate your audio experience without breaking the bank or sacrificing desk space, the D3V might just be your answer. Its compact dimensions, 240mm tall, 115mm wide, and 150mm deep, make it perfect for tight spaces, while its robust build ensures durability. Available in sleek black or white finishes, it's as stylish as it is functional. So, are you ready to explore how this tiny titan stacks up against its competitors? If you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. 2. Key features and technological advantages. Now, let's talk about what sets the D3V apart from the crowd. Inside its compact frame lies cutting-edge technology that punches far above its weight class. Each speaker is powered by two stereo PWM Class D amplify, 30 rupees WRMS for the tweeters and 70 WRMS for the woofers, delivering a total of 200 WRMS power. This ensures a flat frequency response ranging from 48 Hz to 22.6 kHz, with impressive clarity across all frequencies. But here's the real kicker. The D3V introduces twin passive radiators, a first for ADAM Audio. These radiators enhance bass performance without requiring a reflex port, delivering tight, controlled, low-end extension that defies the system's small size. Add to that the proprietary D-Art tweeter, accelerated ribbon technology, which resolves high-frequency transients with stunning precision, and you have a recipe for audio excellence. Ever wondered how such a small system can deliver such big sound? The secret lies in ADAM's innovative design philosophy. With features like Room Adaptation EQ settings, USB-C connectivity, and DSP-controlled limiters, the D3V proves that great things truly do come in small packages. Curious to see how these features translate into real-world performance? Stick around, we're just getting started. 3. User experience and real-life performance. Setting up the D3V is a breeze. Simply connect the primary and secondary speakers using the supplied 4-way cable, plug in the power supply, and connect your audio source via USB or analog inputs. The system powers up instantly, and its intuitive controls allow users to switch between inputs, mute the system, or swap channels effortlessly. But how does it perform in real-life scenarios? When tested with many albums in different genres, the D3V delivered precise bass transients and detailed highs. The passive radiators handled low frequencies admirably, providing a level of depth and control uncommon for monitors of this size. Mid-range detail was crisp and articulate, while the D-Art tweeter resolved high-frequency transients without harshness. Streaming music and watching films also showcased the D3V's strengths. Whether playing tracks from iTunes or streaming services like Amazon Music, the system produced a wide and detailed soundstage. Its USB connection provided superior DA conversion compared to the iMac's built-in audio output, enhancing overall sound quality. Have you ever experienced a system that adapts so seamlessly to your environment? Thanks to the room adaptation settings, the D3V minimizes issues like desk reflections and low-frequency overshadowing, ensuring optimal performance regardless of placement. If you're loving this review, drop a comment below telling us what you'd use the D3V for, whether it's music production, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows. 4. Price to performance analysis and competitor comparison. Priced at approximately $300, the D3V offers excellent value for money. Its combination of bespoke drivers, passive radiators, and advanced DSP technology justifies its cost, especially considering its performance capabilities. But how does it stack up against competitors like the IK Multimedia iLoud micro monitor, $250? While the iLoud offers Bluetooth connectivity, a feature absent in the D3V, it falls short in terms of bass precision and transient response. Alternatives like the KRK Rokit series and Yamaha HS series are solid choices, but lack some of the innovative features found in the D3V, such as the DR tweeter and comprehensive EQ adjustments. For users seeking a balance of affordability, performance, and technological innovation, the D3V is hard to beat. Still unsure which system is right for you? Keep watching, we'll break down why the D3V might just be the ultimate desktop companion. 5. Conclusion and final recommendation. In conclusion, ADAM Audio D3V is a remarkable addition to the world of desktop monitoring systems. Its compact design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional audio performance make it suitable for a wide range of users, from professional content creators to casual listeners. The inclusion of passive radiators, bespoke drivers, and room adaptation settings ensures that the D3V delivers clear, detailed, and balanced sound even in challenging environments. While the lack of a traditional power switch might be a minor inconvenience for some, it does little to detract from the overall user experience. The D3V's ability to seamlessly integrate into workflows via USB and its outstanding value for money make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to elevate their desktop audio experience. Final verdict. If you're in the market for a high-performance, compact desktop monitor system, the ADAM Audio D3V should be at the top of your list. It combines affordability, versatility, and exceptional sound quality in a way that few competitors can match. Whether you're mixing music, editing videos, or simply enjoying high-quality streaming audio, the D3V is a worthy investment. And there you have it, ADAM Audio D3V in all its glory. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate desktop audio solution you've been searching for? If you're still on the fence, remember this: great audio doesn't have to come at the expense of space or budget. The D3V proves that point beautifully. Before you go, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on the D3V. Let us know what other products you'd like us to review next. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep listening, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of sound. See you soon!